So as I'm in the middle of making this video, we lose power. You want to know why? Hold on. This is why. Oh, this is why. It's a blizzard. It's a blizzard. It's a blizzard. Everyone, I want to show you what is going on in my area where I live at right now. So give me a moment and I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see. So yes, we are getting ready to have a snowstorm for about 2 days. So y'all keep us in prayer. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. But it's here. So what are you gonna do, right? All right, y'all. Bye. Look at the snow.